In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the Robinhood Crypto Wallet, the self-custody wallet offering from Robinhood designed to give crypto users more control over their assets. If you're curious whether it's worth using in 2025, we'll cover what it does well, where it falls short, and who it's best for. What it does really well? The Robinhood Crypto Wallet provides a mobile-friendly interface that feels very intuitive, especially for users who are already familiar with the Robinhood app. You can store and send supported cryptocurrencies on networks like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Arbitrum, Polygon, and Optimism. Many reviewers highlight how easy it is to set up, use biometrics or a PIN for access, and have a recovery seed phrase for backup solid features for everyday usability. It also supports swapping certain tokens directly within the wallet, which is a nice added convenience. What to watch out for, the drawbacks. First, despite the wallet name, there are limitations on what you can do with your assets. For example, at the moment you may not be able to send MFs out from the wallet, only store them. Also, while it supports tokens on several networks, the range is more limited than many dedicated crypto wallets. If you use more obscure chains or tokens, you may find gaps. Another big factor, this is still a hot wallet, connected online, so while the security is good, it's inherently less secure than a cold, offline wallet. Some users have reported delays or issues when trying to withdraw or transfer out assets. A few community posts note their accounts were restricted or transfers blocked without clear explanation. And finally, although Robinhood markets itself as beginner-friendly, some crypto purists feel that using a platform wallet tied to a brokerage may limit full autonomy or flexibility compared with standalone wallets. Who it's best for and who might want something else? This wallet is well suited for beginner or intermediate crypto users who value ease of use over maximum complexity. People who already use Robinhood for investing and want a seamless way to add crypto with familiar interface. Users who want a relatively safe, mobile wallet with decent network support and token swaps built in. On the other hand, you might pick a different solution if you require full token network coverage, custom chains, or are heavily involved in decentralized finance, DeFi, need highest level security, e.g. cold storage, hardware wallet, or very frequent transfers or staking features. Want absolute control of your private keys, token transfers to any address without restrictions, and full flexibility for seeing and transacting F2s or exotic tokens. My verdict? My verdict is that the Robinhood Crypto Wallet is a solid choice for someone getting started with crypto, especially if they already use Robinhood and want simplicity and convenient access in one place. However, if you're more advanced, trade many different tokens, use staking or NFs frequently, or plan to keep large holdings long-term, then this wallet may feel too limited and you might prefer a more dedicated wallet solution. It's a good step, but not necessarily the final one for every crypto investor. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Robinhood Crypto Wallet or are considering using it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of crypto apps and financial tools.